Hi, I'm Riley. Soft laugh. I've always believed that every time someone falls, they find the strength to rise again. Love isn't just about laughter. It's patience, self-confidence, and discovering the power inside yourself. Today, I'll share a journey that changed my life forever. It all began on a chilly autumn afternoon in New York City. Deep breath. The air was misty, golden leaves drifting down. Amidst the crowded Central Park, I noticed him. His eyes deep, his smile magnetic. I felt my life was about to change. "Do you come here often?" he asked, smiling. Soft smile. Simple words, yet my heart fluttered. Something clicked. Our worlds seemed intertwined at that moment. A few days later, we met again in the park. Hand touches hand. The breeze, colorful leaves, and distant street musicians amplified our connection. Friendship bloomed, then an undeniable attraction. One rainy evening at Lincoln Square. No umbrellas. He grabbed my hand. "Let's get wet. Maybe tonight will be unforgettable." Breathes deeply, smiles. My heart raced. Love is freedom, standing together through every storm. Our first days felt like city lights, bright, vibrant, hands intertwined. We walked across the Brooklyn Bridge, sipped coffee outside small cafes, shared our dreams. New York City felt like it was made just for us. But life isn't a fairy tale. Misunderstandings crept in, furrowed brow. I felt fear, wondering if everything might fall apart. Some nights I cried alone. Soft exhale. Could I survive without him? Yet each morning, he whispered, "Love means staying, even when it's hard." His words became my anchor. I realized true love doesn't break. It grows stronger through challenges. Soft smile. It awakens courage. Strength I didn't know existed. We shared dreams, fears, joys, and secrets. Hand brushes his arm. He taught me to face fear and embrace life boldly. Love became our teacher. "Riley, know your strength. You are enough, even alone." Eyes meet his. That moment became a life lesson. Love empowers. It doesn't diminish. Before him, I felt incomplete. Soft inhale. His love showed me I could thrive on my own. I could chase dreams, overcome challenges. Our love wasn't just romance, light laugh. It was growth. Building each other up. We became each other's guide, teacher, and safe haven. Crying isn't weakness. Quiet sob. It clears the storm inside, giving courage to move forward. Every hardship made me stronger. Patience became our anchor. Hand squeezes gently. True love stays through struggles, not just in joy. That patience deepened our bond. Arguments came, tempers flared. Soft sigh, eyes lowered. Yet we returned to each other every time. Love isn't losing, it's rediscovering. Love isn't about holding tight, it's giving wings. Soft touch on shoulder. We learn to soar together, yet strong, Individually, I'm stronger now. Deep breath, steady tone, confident, fearless, ready for life. That strength came from loving, enduring storms together. Love isn't just holding hands, it's giving courage, soft smile. So even when alone, no one loses their way. Love is the light guiding through darkness. In every challenge, I remember his words. Eyes closed. They push me forward. Love's wisdom reshaped me from within. If you love, don't just bring happiness. Gentle hand gesture. Teach, inspire, empower. Let them thrive, even if you aren't there. Love is a school. Every moment, lesson, soft laugh. From joy and from pain, we learn. Love transforms. Eyes meet his again, soft smile. Not just a bond between two, it reshapes souls. That journey gives life meaning. The lights of NYC, the Brooklyn Bridge, rainy streets, parks, they live in our memories. Soft exhale, attentive tone. Every moment taught us love's essence and inner strength. So love, but love yourself more. Smile, confident tone. Even if love fades, its lessons remain forever. And those lessons will guide you to triumph every time.